Looking for an AI tool that can generate images, videos, text, and creative content all in one place? In this video, we're reviewing Supercool AI to find out if it's actually worth using in 2026 or just another overhyped AI platform. Let's dive in. What is Supercool AI? Supercool AI is an all-in-one AI platform designed to help creators, marketers, freelancers, and businesses generate content faster. Depending on the features available in your region and plan, it may offer AI image generation, video creation, text generation, design tools, and workflow automation. The main goal is simple: save time and reduce the need for multiple AI subscriptions. User interface and setup. Getting started is straightforward. Just sign up, choose your preferred tools, and begin creating content from the dashboard. The interface is beginner-friendly, with most features accessible in just a few clicks. Even if you're new to AI tools, you'll likely get comfortable within minutes. Key features. Here are some standout features: AI-powered content generation, image and design creation, video generation and editing tools, ready-made templates for social media, workflow automation options, cloud-based access from any device. The exact features may vary depending on your subscription plan. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to use for beginners. Multiple AI tools in one platform. Can save time on content creation. Helpful for creators and small businesses. Cons: some advanced features may require a paid plan. Output quality can vary depending on your prompts. Free credits may be limited. You may still need manual editing for professional results. Is Supercool AI worth it? If you create content regularly and want a single platform instead of juggling multiple AI tools, Supercool AI is worth exploring. However, if you only need one specific feature, dedicated tools like image-only or video-only AI platforms may offer better results. Try the free version first and compare the output quality before upgrading. Have you tried Supercool AI yet? Share your experience in the comments below. If this review helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Learn Yash, and turn on notifications for more AI tool reviews and tutorials.